Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in a Glen egg boiler. First, measure 50 ml of water and pour it onto the heating plate of your Glen egg boiler. Next, take the poaching tray and lightly grease each section with a tiny bit of oil to prevent sticking. Carefully crack one egg into each prepared section of the tray. This simple preparation ensures your eggs will cook perfectly and release easily. Once your eggs are in the greased tray, carefully place the entire poaching tray onto the heating plate inside the boiler. Make sure it's seated properly. Then, secure the lid firmly on top of the egg boiler to trap the steam. Turn on the appliance and let it cook for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. The exact time depends on your desired yolk consistency, so adjust as needed. After about 5 minutes, you can gently lift the lid to check the eggs. If you prefer a soft, runny yolk, they might be ready. For a firmer, more set yolk, allow them to cook for the full 7 minutes. Once cooked to your liking, carefully turn off the boiler and use a heat-resistant utensil to remove the hot poaching tray. Be cautious of the steam. Now for the best part. Gently slide your perfectly poached eggs from the tray directly onto your plate. They should release easily thanks to the greasing step. Serve them immediately on a piece of crispy toast with avocado or alongside your favorite breakfast items. They're delicious and so simple to make. Also, for those looking to streamline their kitchen routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.